Braylon, you're supposed to be putting the taco shells on the pan for taco night. Say, taco night! Braylon. One at a time. One taco shell at a time, okay? Oh, ooh. Whoa. Ooh, you're doing a good job, Braylon. No, don't eat them. Don't eat it yet. Okay. You're not supposed to be eating it yet. No, that goes in the stove. Put it on the pan. Good job, baby. Good job making tacos. You helping mommy on taco night? Say taco night. Ray. Braylon, didn't mommy say you're not supposed to bite out of them yet? Okay. Good job. Uh-oh, let Jack have that one. All right. Good job, Braylon. Give mommy 5.